Hey guys, so we got a really crazy thunderstorm happening here, and I am a little bit freaked out because the sky is green and you probably can't see in the video, but the sky is green, and my tree here, he's taller than 3 stories and he's being tossed around like a little rag doll. I feel so bad for him. It's a pretty severe thunderstorm. Some of our family's power has gone out. It's pretty neat, but kind of creepy at the same time. We just don't want a tornado or anything like that. But thunderstorms are so neat. So yeah. The sky is like lime green right now. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, it's pretty crazy. And this is how tall my little friend is. Oh, it's so dark you can't even see the bottom of him. Never mind. It's very, very dark. Our greenhouse and everything on our patio got completely destroyed, and our greenhouse is currently hanging off of our patio. We tried to go out and pull it back up, but the winds were like blowing us off our balcony, so we had to come back inside. Whoa. The whole building is like rattling with the thunder. Amazing. But it is really creepy that the sky is like super green. It was like super black, and then now it's like bright green with thunder. I've never seen that before. It's pretty weird. Cool.